Yes, good afternoon. Kaustubh, good afternoon. Is the board clear? Board is clear, Kaustubh? Okay. Just let us wait for some time, then we will start the class. Yes, Aryan, good afternoon. Yes, Kablishri, good afternoon. Okay, all of you, let's start the class then. All of you move to page number 98. Page number 98. Question number 2 is number 1. Today we will complete exercise 4.1. Okay, just go through the question. Question number 2 is number 1. Okay. Let's see then. Did you read all of you? Okay. Now see the question. I'm explaining you. The question says the area of a rectangular plot. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay, তোমালোকক এটা rectangular plot or area দিয়া আছে, and I feel you are in class 10, so all of you might know the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. Okay, how to find the area of a rectangle? You just need to multiply the dimensions. That is, you need to multiply length and breadth so that you will get the area of the rectangular field. Clear? So the value of the area is given. The length of the plot in meters is one more than the length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. Okay, so itia length juntu ase. Okay, that depends on the breadth. So what I will assume, whom I will assume to be as x, length or breadth? Obviously breadth. Why? Because the length depends upon the breadth. কি কোৱা আছে question clearly পঢ়িবা, the length of the plot is one more than twice the breadth, মানে যিমান breadth আছে তাৰ double plus 1, okay, will be the length. So we will write, okay, we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So প্ৰথমতে তোমালোকে algebraic expression equation বনাই লবা, quadratic equation বনাই লবা, then we will solve it. Okay, so let us write number 2's number 1. Let the breadth of the plot be x meter. Therefore, what can I write about the length? Length of the plot is equal to 2 into x and 1 more. So plus 1. So it will be twice x plus 1 meter. So in the question, according to the question, area of the plot is equal to, once the school reopens, I won't repeat these chapters in school, okay? I can see only one, two, three, or four people are watching the video, okay? It doesn't mean that I am coming here and wasting my time. And I will repeat all this is again once the school reopens. So you need to show your sincerity so that I can do my classes very sincerely. Okay? Only three of you are watching the video. Don't think that next year this will be the same thing. This year also the government is conducting the matriculation examination. So in your turn, it will be for sure. So given area of the plot is 528 meters square. So how it will be, length into breadth is equal to 528, which implies what is the length? Length is twice x plus 1 into x is equal to 528. Then I will multiply twice x into x is 2x square, and 2x into 1 is 2x, and minus 520 will be taken this side, is equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. Clear? So now this is the quadratic equation. Let us see how to solve it. I hope all of you know might be knowing how to solve, how to split the middle term and solve the equation. Now, what is the quadratic equation? Twice x square minus x plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So now, what is the constant term? Constant term is 528, and what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 2. So 528 into 2 is 1056. We need to find the factor of 1056. 1056 in the table of 2, 5 times, 2 times, 8 times. In the table of 2, 2 times, 6 times, 4 times. In the table of 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2 times. In the table of 2, 66 times. In the table of 2, 33 times. In the table of 3, 11 times. So now 2 into 2 is 4, into 8, 16, 20, 32. From here to here it is 32, and from here 33 into 11 is 33. 33 minus 32 will give you 1. That's what you need. So it will be written as, now I can split the middle term as 33 minus 32 whole multiplied by x minus 528 is equal to 0. 33 into x is 33x, minus 22 into x is minus 22x, minus 528 is equal to 0. So now can I take anything common here? No. So only x can be seen as common. So you have taken x as the common. Here 2x, twice x remains plus 33. Here I can take minus 11 as common. Twice x plus 33 is equal to 0. So overall here from the 4 term we have made it 2 terms. Okay. Now you can see from the 2 term, thrice x plus 33 and thrice x plus 33 is common in both. So I can write twice x plus 33, and here x minus 11 is equal to 0. So since the product of this and this is 0, এই দুটা multiply কৰি মই 0 পাই আছো, that means what? হয়তো এইটো 0 হ'ব লাগিব, নহলে the other one should be 0. So I can write either twice x plus 33 is equal to 0 or x minus 11 is equal to 0. So which implies twice x is equal to minus 33, x is equal to minus 33 by 2. So we all know, since x is what? X is the breadth. Breadth ki negative ahibo paribo? Eta solid figure or length to আৰু breadth to কেতিয়াও negative nahe, so it is not possible. The condition is not possible, which implies x is equal to 11. So therefore, what can I write? Breadth is 11 meter and length will be 2 into 11 plus 1, that is 23 meter. Is it clear, everyone? Let's see number 2 then. So, see question number 2. The product of two consecutive numbers. So here what it is said, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So what do you mean by consecutive? Consecutive means one after the other. Okay. So it is said that the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So do we know the integers? আমি consecutive integers জানো নেকি? No. So what you are going to assume? প্রথমটো যদি x হ'ব, যদি ফার্স্টটো তোমালোকে x assume কৰা, ইয়াৰ next কি হ'ব? Just one ডাঙৰ হ'ব. So the next consecutive number will be what? X plus 1. যদি তোমালোকে ফার্স্ট টু twice x assume কৰা, the next one will be what? Twice x plus 1. So twice x তেনেকে assume কৰিবলৈ নাযাবা, because there is not, it is nothing mentioned about whether it is odd or even like that. যদি odd even mention কৰিব তেতিয়াহে twice x তেনেকে ল'বা, because simply তোমাৰ calculation টো ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব. So directly তোমালোকে x আৰু x plus 1 লৈ ল'বা, because nothing is said about the integers whether they are positive, whether they are odd or even. Okay, so we'll write, let the two consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. Dx and x plus 1. So in the question it is given that their product is x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x into x is x square and x into 1 is x. 300 taken this side would be minus 306, and it became a quadratic equation, which is the required quadratic equation. Now we will solve it. Is it clear till here? So now what is the constant term? Constant term is 306, and what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 1. So 306 into 1 is 306. We need to find the factor of 306. So in the table of 2, 1, 5, 3 times. Okay, in the table of 3, 5, 1, 51 times. In the table of 3, 1, 7, 17 times. Okay, I need, ama ki koribo lage? I need to find the factor of 306 such that I subtract two factors of 306 and I get what? 1. Middle term of split koriba tumaloke. Middle term or coefficient ki ase? 1 ase. আৰু 306 ৰ আগত কি আছে মাইনাস আছে so the factors need to be subtracted in such a way that the difference is what the difference is 1. Is it clear everyone? Did you get my point all of you? So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18. 18 or পৰা যদি মই 17 subtract কৰো মই কি পাম 1 পাম so I got the factors which when subtracted gives you 1. Okay, so x square it will be 18 minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. So which implies x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. From the first, now you can see earlier in the quadratic equation I had three terms. So after splitting the middle term, I made the equations quadratic equation into four terms. Clear? So middle term was split korilu etia prothom duta pa tumaloge ki common lobo pariba only x you can take as common one. So it will be x plus 18 here minus 17 can be taken common x plus 18 is equal to 0. So overall you can see x plus 18 is common and here x remains and here minus 17 remains is equal to 0. So either x plus 18 is equal to 0 or x minus 17 is equal to 0. So which implies x is equal to minus 18. Is it possible? No. In the question it is clearly mentioned that it is a positive integer. So minus 18 is not a positive integer, negative integer. Sorry, minus 18 is not a positive integer since it has minus sign with it. So the x equal to minus 18 is not possible. Okay. So what will be the value of x? X will be 17. So the two integers will be what? One is 17 and the other one is 17 plus 1 is 18. These are the two consecutive integers which when multiplied gives you 306. Any doubt with this question? Any doubt anyone? So let's see the next question. Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. What did it say? Ram's mother is 26 years older than him. So whose age depends on whom? Whom you're going to assume as X? Yes, we are going to assume Ram to be as X and others all are simply sitting there. They have pain in their fingers so they cannot type. So we'll write let the age of Ram be X years. We'll mention present age, okay? So therefore, present age of mother, her mother is what? His mother is what? 26 years older. So whatever the age of Ram is, plus 26 years will be the age of mother. What did I say? The product of their ages. Next condition, what is the condition? The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. The product of their ages 3 years from now মানে এতিয়া যিমান এজ আছে তাতকে 3 বছৰ আগৰ পাস মানে the coming 3 years, okay, 3 साल बाद, that means it is said the product of their ages will be 360. So by the question, what is the present age of Ram? It is x. So after 3 years it will be x plus 3. This age into age of mother. What is the age of mother? X plus 26 plus 3, because mother will also grow 3 years older after 3 years, and Ram will grow 3 years older from now, isn't it? So therefore x plus 3 and x plus 26 plus 3, the product of these two ages is equal to what? 316. X plus 3 x plus 29 is equal to 360. So x will be multiplied by x plus 29 and plus 3 will be multiplied by x plus 29 is equal to 360. So x into x is x square, 29x plus 3x plus 87, because 29 into 3 will give you 87 is equal to 360. Now we will take 360 this side. So x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. So here 360 is negative, so your difference will be negative. 0 minus 7 is not possible. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here it became 5. 5 minus 8 is not possible. 15 minus 8 is 7. And here it became 2, which is equal to 0. And this is the required quadratic equation. Clear? Any doubt here? Now we need to solve it also. So now the required quadratic equation is x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Constant term is 273 and coefficient of x square is 1. 273 into 1 is 273 only. We need to find the factor of 273 such a way that subtracting the factor of 273 you need to get what? 32. Are you getting my point? How to do it? How to look it? Constant term লবা, coefficient of x square লগত multiply করিবা, 273 into 1 is 273 only. So 273's factor you are going to find, and after subtracting you need to get what? 32. Clear? Why after subtracting? Because 273 আগত minus sign আছে. In the table of 3 it will be 91 times, again in the table of 7 it will be 13 times. Okay? So you need to get what? 32. इसको पंगा किए. Just a minute, let me check. Okay, it's okay only. We need to subtract. So 13 into 3 is 39. 39 minus 7 will give you 32, is it? So I was thinking we need to add. So 13 into 3 is 39. 39 minus 7 is 32. So we got it. So we will write 39 minus 7 multiplied by x minus 273 is equal to 0. So now the term has been splitted. It will become 39 into x, 39x minus 7 into x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. So now from the first two term I can take only x is common, so it will be x plus 39. From the second two term I can take minus 7 is common, x plus 39. 3 times 21 remains 6, 60, 63, 7, 9 times 63 is equal to 0. So overall, I got x plus 39 as common, and here remains is x minus 7 is equal to 0. So what I can say now, either x plus 39 will be equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 39, which is again not possible because age of a person cannot be negative, or x minus 7 is equal to 0, which implies x is 7. So I can write Ram's age is 7 years, mother's age is what? X plus 26, that is 7 plus 26, that is 33 years. Is it clear, everyone? Do you have any doubt? Let's see the last one. Question number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. What it is said? A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. মানে আগত যিমান টাইম লাগি আছিলে তাতকে এতিয়া কিমান লাগিব 3 ঘন্টা বেছি লাগিব যদি স্পিডটো 8 km per hour কমি থাকে. We need to find the speed of the train. Did you get the question, all of you? So what I can write is, let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. So first case is distance is what? 480 kilometer is given. Train covers a distance of 480 kilometer at a uniform speed. Speed is what? X kilometer per hour. So what will be the time taken? Time taken, speed is distance by time. So time will be distance by speed. So I can write time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. So which is equal to time is equal to 480 by x. In the second case, distance is same, 480 kilometer. Speed had been 8 km per hour less. So speed will be what? X minus 8 km per hour. So therefore time will be what? Distance by speed, that is 480 by x minus 8. So now what the condition says, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, time taken will be 3 hours more. That means A2 juntu time ase A2 3 ghanta besi ase from the time taken in case 1. So this time is less and the time here is more. So what can I write as condition? 480 by x minus 3 is equal to agor juntu time plus 3 hours, isn't it? This will be the equation. So I can write 480 by x minus 3 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. Clear? So LCM will be x into x minus 3, here 480 into x, and here 480 into x minus 3 will be equal to 3. Clear? So here it will become 480 into x is 480x minus 480 into x is minus 480x Minus 480 into minus 3 will be 8. 0 into 3 is 0. 8 3 times 24 carry 2. 12 into 14. Okay. By x into x is x square minus thrice x is equal to 3. Minus 480 plus 480 got reduced. Okay. Now it will be 1240 is equal to 3 into x square minus thrice x. So here you check whether you can reduce this 1240 by 3 or not. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, so it cannot be reduced. So it will be 3 into x square is 3x square, 3 into 3 is 9, minus 1 4, this one taken that side, it will be minus 1240 is equal to 0. I got the equation, which is the required quadratic equation. Any doubt till here? So now 1240 is the constant term, coefficient of x square is 3. 0, 12, 3, 7, 20 is the, so now we need to find the factor of 3720 such that after subtracting the factor you get 9. Okay. So in the table of 3, in the table of 2, it will be 1 860. In the table of 3 930. In the table of 2 again it will be 475. In the table of 3 it will be 465, 155. In the table of 5 31 times. Okay, so now you need to subtract the factor to get 9. So 8 into 5 is 40. 40 minus 31 is equal to 1860. Nine I need to get. Nine you copy. Won't go like that. Just a second, I'm checking. Okay, the factors. Anyone, is anyone writing it? Okay. Okay, I did something mesh. Okay, here it will be 8 and here it will be 8x. This will be multiplied with 8. Let me do it again. So the condition will be 480 by x is equal to 480 by x minus 8 is equal to 480 by x plus 3, isn't it? Why 8 should be subtracted? Because if the speed had been 8 kilometer less, but I took is 3 by mistake. Sorry for that. Okay, so we will take this one this side. So 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. So LCM will be x into x minus 8 is equal to, here it is 3. So it will be 480 into x minus 480 into x minus 8. So here it will be 480 by x minus 480x, because 480 into x is 480 and 480 into minus it minus minus it will be plus. 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 8 is 64, carry 6, 32 and 6 38. Here it will be x square minus 8x is equal to 3, minus 480x plus 480x got reduced. Clear? So it will be 3840 is equal to 3 into x square minus 8x. So let us check. 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. So it will go with the table of 3. So I will reduce it. I will take this one, 3840 divided by 3 is equal to x square minus 8x. 3 one time, 3 one time, 3 2 times 6 remains 2, 2 4 24, 8 times and 0 times. So it will be x square minus 8x, this 1280 taken that side, minus 1280 is equal to 0. Now we need to find the factor of 1280. 2 times 640 in the table of 2, 320 in the table of 2, 160 in the table of 2, 80 in the table of 2, 40 in the table of 2, 20 in the table of 2, 10 in the table of 2, 5 times. Okay, so from 1 2 3 4 5, from here to here it is 2 repeatedly multiplied 5 times will give you 30, and 8 into 5 is 40. So 40 minus 32 will give you 8. We got the factor. So 40 minus 32 multiply whole multiplied by x minus 1280 is equal to 0. X square minus 40x minus minus plus 32x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Got it, all of you? From the first two, we can take x as common, so it will be x minus 40 plus 32 taken common, it will be x minus 40 is equal to 0, because 32 into 40 will give you 1280. Clear? So now overall x minus 40 is common, and here x plus 32 will remain. So either x minus 40 is equal to 0, or plus 32 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 40 implies x is equal to minus 32. This is not possible. Okay, why? Because speed cannot be negative. Therefore, speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? Anything to ask? Okay, then thank you everyone. See you on the next class.